Magandang buhay at mayamang pamumuhay mga kapatid at viewers ng Health, Wealth, and Life Basics. So for today, we would review the relationship between men and women. Ang title po ng book na to is Women, Men Love, and Women, Men Live. Nako po, iniiwan ng babae, ano? Yan. Paano ba nagwo-work out ang pagmamahal ng lalaki sa babae and they last a lifetime? Paano nga ba? Ako, may simple akong mnemonic code sa love. Love is to listen for L. O is overtime patience and understanding. V is vision together, and A is equality. Bakit ba minamahal ng mga lalaki or naglalast for a lifetime ang relationship with a woman? But basically, nag-i-stay sa tinitingnan lang natin ilang percentage lang ba sa mga movie stars ang nag-i-stay together until lifetime. Pero kumbaga may mga sikreto like FPJ, saka na natin nalaman na si Fernando Po Jr. ay meron palang mga anak sa ibang babae. But the women na mga hindi kasama doon sa married couple ay naglalast long, di ba? They decide to stay with the men they love. Women live. Yan. Bakit nga ba, no? May mga kaklase tayo, mga campus beauty, hindi naglalast for a lifetime yung kanilang mga boyfriend or partner na anakan ng maaga. Okay. So, i-basic po natin ang L. Okay. Sa aking panayam, bakit kaya ang heart, ang shape ng ears, pag kinonect mo together, it forms a heart. Because when people who are attracted to each other listen to each other, then diba, they communicate. Pag nakalimutan ng makinig ang lalaki sa babae at ang babae sa lalaki, nawawala po ang pagmamahal. You know, when the man is still courting, halos hindi magsalita ang lalaki, nakapokus lang sa babae. Whatever the woman says ay parang di ba, parang lahat sinusunod ni lalaki. So for you girls, wag nyo munang isurrender agad ang bataan nyo. Do not surrender yourself to a man na hindi pa kayo kasal, di ba? Kasi ay nako, pag nakuha na ng lalaki yan, wala na kayong card. Ano pa bang kukunin nila? Now, women just want to get men who are stable. Tama ba? Parang tayo din na gusto natin ang lalaki na stable, sila din gusto ang babaeng stable ang work, may responsibilidad ka, nakikita na may vision ka sa buhay. So ayan, over time you understand each other and alam mo, kabisado mo na ang weaknesses ng bawat isa, and then mahirap po yung babaeng high maintenance. So, for a time, nandyan lang, naanakan ka, nabuntis ka, iwanan ka. Because they would go for quality women who can stand for themselves. Diba? So, wag kayong papayag, kayong mga babae, wag kayong papayag na wala kang sariling financial income and source of income, dahil pag nasa bahay ka lang, talagang men would find women who are independent, who can pay for their own meals. So yun women who are dependent upon men who are cranky, who doesn't smell good, who tawag doon, nagnanag, maingay, ay iniiwan po ng lalaki yan. So, paiba-iba po ang lalaki mo until such time that ang tawag dyan sa Bisaya or Waray, para kang sausawan, kung sino-sino na lang, di ba? Until such time that you attract losers, wala kang kuhang matino-tinong lalaki din. So, that's it. We will go 4 chapters kasi in the early part of the stages ng grow ng lalaki until 2 years old, usually sa mother yan 'di ba? Kung normal na responsable ang babae, the boys are attached to their mother. Pero pag second year na siya, inaano na yan, you're a boy, kay papa ka dapat, mana ka kay papa, ganyan ang lalaki. Nako-confuse sila. So that when they grow up, they do not understand the separation and the attachment. So that when they get close to a woman, they suddenly distance themselves kasi hindi nila naiintindihan yun They're so afraid and fearful that they are not anymore balanced because you make them imbalance. Kaya medyo hindi sila nagko-commit, di ba? Lalo na yung mga independent men, they can marry anyone, di ba? Of the same stature. Kaya pag clingy ka at na-attract sa'yo yung mga ganyang personalidad ng lalaki, mabilis kang palitan yan. So, you try to be independent. Number 3 is vision. Ang babaeng may vision sa buhay niya, na nakikita ng lalaki na ikaw ay lalago without them, they will be attracted to you. Equality. In the same manner na equal ka. Kung gusto niyang lumayas, pwede ka ring lumayas. So, in equal footing. But, think, bakit ba ang Diyos ay hindi ka isinamang i-create agad? There must be a reason for that. So, in the next segment, pag-uusapan po natin bakit ang babae ay iba sa lalaki in terms of loving each other, committing, and then deciding for the marriage and raising up their children. Thank you for listening, and I hope you're enjoying to this new segment and book review, Women Men Love and Women Men Live.